Mexican-style corn fritters with smashed avo cream. To start, make the smashed avo cream. Add the lime juice to avocado in a medium bowl. Use a fork to mash. Season with salt and pepper. Add the sour cream and stir to combine. Cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge. Next, use a knife to cut down the sides of the corn to release the kernels. Place the corn kernels, polenta, flour, haloumi and 1 teaspoon of Mexican seasoning in a large bowl. Whisk the eggs and buttermilk in a jug. Add to the flour mixture in the bowl and stir to combine. Add enough oil to a wok or large saucepan to come 1/3 of the way up the sides of the pan. When the oil's ready, a cube of bread should turn golden in 15 seconds. Use a metal spoon to carefully lower 1 tablespoon portions of the batter into the oil. Cook for 3 minutes or until golden. Then use a slotted spoon to transfer the fritters to a plate lined with paper towel. Repeat with the remaining batter to make 24 fritters. Transfer the fritters to a serving plate and season with salt and pepper, then sprinkle with the remaining Mexican seasoning. Serve the fritters with the smashed avocado cream and drizzle with a squeeze of lime.